Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to forward a Google Chat message into Gmail. So first thing we have to do is open the Google Chat application. If you cannot find the Google Chat on your home screen, just slide your screen into the left side until you find a app library and just type a chat on the search button, and after you find it, just go click to open it. And now you just need to decide which message that you want to forward into the Gmail. For example, this from this chat room, I would like to forward this message into the Gmail. And how to do that, you just need to click this message, the specific message that you want to forward, and hold it. Click and hold until you activate these options. So whenever this menu is pop up into your screen, you just need to go click forward to inboxed. Okay, you need to wait until the process is complete, and message forward to inbox means that this message is already forwarded into your Gmail account. So how to check it? You just need to make sure that you open the Gmail account that you use as the same account that you use for this Google Chat. Okay, and after that, let's go open the Gmail. Okay, so here I open the Gmail with the same account here, and you can see the message is already forwarded into your inboxed Gmail. So that's all the way how to forward a Google Chat message into Gmail. If you find this tutorial useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.